Alright guys, welcome back to our channel, Caitlin's Corner. Hope you're all doing good. So today we're taking you in the farm with us. Caitlin is getting a wheelbarrow ride with her dad in through the grass. The grass is a bit thick on the way. So today we're going to show you around our little farm. We're going in after work and school to do some burning and weeding. We finished weeding, but we're going to do something. Hope you enjoy this little glimpse of farm life with us. Caitlin.
Hi.
Caitlin enjoying her ride. And she got an icicle. Let me give you a look at Caitlin enjoying the life of a farmer. We got grandfather carrying mole in boat. She can't. I think she gotta walk this way. So we have lettuce. Grandfather does cash crop farming. So we got little lettuce. We also have pak chai. This is the old set of pak chai. You got a new set he started next place, so you rotate. And he actually has started Caitlin with a little business selling two on our own. So we have arrived at our Caitlin's dad did a lot of weeding over this past weekend.
I'm throwing out my drink.
Caitlin being silly. We didn't get to come in with him, but Caitlin absolutely loves coming in the farm. We got some cherry blossom. We got a sapodilla tree. This is on Caden's part of the farm. Grandfather planted.
Pick it.
These trees have over about 25 years now.
Basket.
And they're bearing.
Let me come
We
out.
gotta care them a bit more because they can bear a lot more than they are. I just saw a nice big one somewhere. These are sapodillas. No, it's not ready as yet. Dad gotta check.
But that one up there, guys, is ready.
Yeah, that one looks very big. We got some banana suckers.
Fine.
So today we cut some bananas. And we actually came in to pick some cherries, but like a lot of the cherries already fall off the tree.
But I can still pick.
Caitlin came prepared with her little Easter basket and a doll. Oh, the parrots. I didn't know the parrots is the cherries too. Alright, we'll see what we can get and probably mix it with something else.
I found some flour, guys.
So this is how the banana starts out. It has this flower. This one is already burst, and then it's gonna keep growing and full. And you have the young banana trees at the side coming up. And so after
I didn't see.
it bears one bunch, don't go too close, kid. You can got snakes and so in between. So after it bears one bunch, you cut the tree down. It doesn't bear a second time. The tree only produces one bunch at a time. Kid that gone and get one across from the other bed. There we planted some coconuts. Grandfather put these coconuts down on all the beds. And this is a guava tree we got here, a small one. Grandfather planted this too for them, each of them. He put one for.
Hi. So as you can see, it's our second day in the farm, and Daddy brought in some mold. So now, Mommy is carrying around the mold and putting it on the plant. Any manure like this can help your plants to grow.
And what kind of manure is this?
Chicken manure.
Chicken poop. Right. Hi guys.
And it just came in this morning, and Mommy loves how it's fresh.
Fresh poop for the plants.
Mommy, wipe it out from that edge.
Yeah, we don't want it to go too close. these are big trees, guys. So we can,
Yeah.
what do you call it? Close for you.
Let me show you this one, guys.
You don't want to
That
put it
one?
too close because it can kill your plants. So we're not putting too much, or we're not putting it too close to you.
Yeah.
Pass
So-
to Caitlin.
And so, guys, this is the biggest plant we have. But those are bigger. And that one, watch that one in the background. That tree is our cotton tree. And if you can see, we have a whole set of little blossoms. And here it is, guys. See, we have a whole set of trees. And when you have trees, guys, when you have trees, you have to take care of your trees. And then it will help them to bear more. Ah, mommy! So guys, these have been blossomed. This is our tree. We're giving us the most blossom. And if you can see, it has a tiny blossom right there. And if you can see, it have a whole set around. And guys, watch up there. It have a whole set there. And guys, so guys, whenever you have like plants and you see like this there, cut it off. It's bird poop. And the vine from the bird poop, it will make vines start growing. And the vine suck the
Nutrients.
nutrients out to the plants. And this is our camera guy, my dad. And as you can see, he's the best. And my mommy right now has to refill her thing because she uses it out of this. She uses one out of this side. Now she has to do there. And guys, when you see blossoms, when you see blossoms on your tree, like those, if you see them, you have to start taking care of your tree. So like if you don't have like this kind of mold my mommy put in, chicken mold, you can use any mold. But I'm not so sure about dog mold. These are blossoms, guys. We just spotted them. Mom! Mom!
Yeah. Oh, what is new blossom?
Yes.
That's what? The lemon?
Yes.
Wow. Quite a
Guys, I just found this one. Wow! A bunch.
You just found that bunch of banana?
Yes.
Girl.
For tree and a
No, you found it on a tree that your father just cut for you.
No.
Alright. So this is sweet fig. This is the sweet fig. We have sweet figs and we have apples. We don't have so much sweet figs. We have mostly apples.
Excuse me.
So we're gonna try to light some of the
I want
grass.
to tell you guys, see this white thing? It's not an infection. It's just the glue sticking out.
Oh, the glue from it when you just got it. This is
Yeah.
what she's talking about. At the bottom there, that's dripping.
Guys, give me. Watch that flame. See that? That flame is hot.
The profile pic for our channel is actually right in this farm. It was taken when we were clearing it. Caitlin was about 3 when we did that because I just came over to cut. If you look there, you see she's trying to get a stick. So that's her favorite thing to do when she comes in here. So this is a big plum. A plum tree fell. It wasn't bearing much, so we cut it down, and so we have to burn this too. So we still clearing. We got a mango tree we recently put up. I think this one is supposed to be what they call Julie mango, the very big mangoes. And we got some citrus on the forest bed. And mostly suckers is what we have, the banana suckers, because they're kind of easier to take care of. Girl, being dramatic.
I can go over it or under it. Which
Your choice. This tree is very rough, Caitlin. This tree is old and this bark is very rough. Don't go over it. Take your time and go around.
under?
Yeah. Or under. Come at this end. Come on.
I didn't do that. It was her.
Caitlin likes to come in the farm, like I said. It's very enjoyable. We're outdoor people. We like to be outside.
So guys, we're going this way instead of that way. I want you to see how big this firefly's got. Here. So I want to show you how. Mommy, can I show them? I want to show them how you go under it. Okay, so we go under. It's very barky. So that's why I use that instead of there. Watch how big that's. Wait, so guys, this is the bridge. You have to take your time on it before you like fall. And here's my daddy. This is how big the fire we got. So when you like deal with hot things, be very careful, guys. It can burn you. So this is how it looks so far. And we have an extra going in the back road if you see it. And we're gonna go back under it. And yes, go! Woo! Oh! Hey, oh God. Oh, this guy, Mommy. Oh
Steps over there, that one needs there.
Yeah. So our main mission today, like I said, is to cut some bananas. And I forgot, we have one cayenne. We planted a few before. They didn't really come with the rain, but we have one. And we've never been able to get the cayenne to full properly. We had a few up in front, and that's because there are the persons who don't plant when we're here, but they come and they reap when we're not. So we've never been able to get a full bunch of cayenne. Persons come in and they steal. So we have that, and we have apple, banana, a few to cut, like this one here, over here, over on the bottom. I gotta go all around. That one there is ready to cut. Let me see if I can make it to jump here. We had a small bridge. Yes, Caitlin.
I need to go get my basket.
Well, go get it quickly. Just be careful. I'll see if I can jump this train and show you. Here goes something. All right, I made it across. So listen, coming and maintaining. We've tried putting peppers and so on. But we just genuinely like coming in and being in our own little space quietly. Caitlin runs, plays,
Guys,
burn grass.
You want to come with me? Hold this. I know what you guys will love.
Don't go too close to you, Daddy. Said he will show blur.
So I'm going to run, and I want you to. Ah! You okay, Daddy? Daddy just put that thing, and there we make it fall on him. So guys, I'm going to show you how it runs in the farm. So I'm running ahead, Mommy, and watch. I'm running, I found Mommy. Hey!
We have some big mango trees, but somehow our mango trees are not bearing. We only have one that's bearing, and it's bearing way down on the back that we don't really get to maintain. But we have like about 4 or 5 big mango trees, and they're not bearing. Oh, these are the new set pak choi. Now we have the lettuce there, full grown. These are ready to be sold. Have a pear tree, and we have some smaller pak choi and lettuce. Grandfather going to mold up soon, so he was bringing in the mold and they place it between the banks, so then you just walk on the mold. The mold up. We throw some in between all the plants. Organic manure. Alright, so that's it, guys. We hope you enjoyed our little tour seeing Caitlin's farm.
Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and keep watching for more videos.
And if you hit the subscription button, please remember to click the notification too, because that's the only way you're gonna know when we post new videos. And after a while,
You'll get updated.
yeah, you'll get updates. If not, we'll get lost and you won't find us that easily. Thank you so much for your support. We hope that you keep staying positive and enjoy every day, however simple or extravagant it may be. Make every moment count.
And
Happy Tuesday. Today's Tuesday.
happy Tuesday!
Alright guys, bye. Bye. I guess kids not ready to say bye.